Today, we're going to unlock your Amazon Fire Stick. It's super easy, and I'll walk you through every step.
Ready to get way more out of your Fire Stick? You're about to access tons of apps you can't normally get. First off, don't worry. This is totally safe, legal, and we're not hacking anything. Just flipping a switch.
So what's a Fire Stick jailbreak? It just means allowing apps from unknown sources. That's it.
Yeah, this is nothing like jailbreaking a phone. We're not touching the core software at all. It's safe.
And just to be clear, it's 100% legal. It's your device, so you can change the settings.
Quick heads up, don't buy those pre-jailbroken Fire Sticks. They're a ripoff, and you can do this yourself. All right, let's get started. First thing, go find and install the free Downloader app.
Look for that orange icon for Downloader. Click Download, and then head back to the home screen.
Okay, here's the most important part. Go into your settings, and then find My Fire TV. Now, if you don't see developer options, no big deal. Just click on About first. And now for the fun part. Click on your Fire Stick's name 7 times in a row. You'll see a little message pop up. Boom! You're now a developer. The secret menu is unlocked. Hit the back button once, and you'll see the new Developer Options menu. Go ahead and click it. Inside, click Install Unknown Apps. Find Downloader on the list, and just switch it to On. And that's it. Seriously, your Fire Stick is now officially jailbroken and ready to go. So the big question is, now what? How do you actually get all those cool new apps?
Open up that Downloader app. In the URL box, type in this code, 250931, then hit Go.
That code is a shortcut that takes you to a really useful page full of popular streaming apps. From here, you can browse around and download all sorts of new apps right to your Fire Stick. Okay, before you go wild, there's one last really important step. Your internet activity is being watched. To keep yourself safe and private, you absolutely should use a VPN with these new apps. Installing a VPN is easy. Just search for your favorite one right in the Amazon App Store. Just open the app, log in, and hit Connect. Now your connection is private and secure.